Can you eat carnivore without going broke? Today, we're prepping 4 massive breakfast servings for just $4.74 a meal. We're talking 14 eggs, a pound of beef, a pound of bacon, a half a cup of cheese, and a quarter cup of heavy cream. The dairy's optional. I'm doing the entire meat prep hands-off using my Typhur Sync basket air fryer. First, I whisked 14 eggs, a quarter cup of heavy cream, and then I air fried a full pound of ground beef for $4.49, and it came out perfect, crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. The Typhur Sync is a game changer. Then I just added the cheese and salt to the eggs and gave it a quick whisk. And now comes the liquid gold, you guys. This bacon grease is phenomenal, and anything that you cook in it will just be elevated to the next level. So I'm just greasing the baking dish with the bacon grease, and then I am breaking apart the ground beef because it was in big chunks. And I'm sorry, but I'm ready for fall, y'all. Am I the only one? Let me know in the comments section. Are you team summer or team fall? And this is the $6 pound of bacon, and it came out beautifully. It is so crispy, and look at all of that beautiful bacon grease. So we're just layering the meat in the pan. So we have the ground beef, then we have the bacon, and then we're going to pour the egg mixture over the top of that. Remember, if dairy offends your carnivore, just leave it out. Now we are going to bake the casserole at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. I suggest covering your casserole with foil for the first at least 20 minutes that it cooks. And it cooked for a total of 23 minutes. I find if you cook it too long, the skin forms on the top, and I do not like that. So now we're just going to cut it into 4 large portions, and that is the entire casserole, and that is 4 servings or 4 days of breakfasts. Look at that, you guys. Look at those pretty layers of meat in with those beautiful fluffy eggs. This is 54 grams of protein per serving. I used to make this all the time. I haven't made it in a long time, but I don't know why, because it is phenomenal. Not to mention cheap and easy. They tried to tell you carnivore was expensive, but they lied. If you enjoyed this budget air fryer carnivore breakfast meal prep, like the video and comment your favorite budget hack, and subscribe for more animal-based high-protein recipes. And let me know if you would be interested in any mobility exercises. I would love to do some little short videos about that. God bless you and keep you.